Welcome to my newest video. Today I'm going to be talking about what happened today because today is my 13th birthday. So I'm finally a teenager. I don't really want to be, but it's not my choice. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so it all started when I woke up this morning. I had cinnamon buns, and obviously they're the best. And then we went to a pool party at my friend's house. And we had a birthday cake, and it was really fun. And then we came back to the house, and I got ready for soccer. I went to soccer and had fun with a few of my friends. And then I came home and ate dinner, which I had taco lasagna, which was really good, thanks to my dad. And then I now am watching TV and getting ready to go to sleep. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this small, short video. I will promise you I will put a singing video up tomorrow because I just haven't been able to sing because of my voice and because I'm so busy. I am posting a video every day. And please like, comment, and subscribe to this video or subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below some challenges I can do because I'm bored, or put truth or dares down and I can do them on a video, or you can pretty much comment anything you want us to do. It could be singing videos, singing songs, singing anything, dancing, anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!